program called Minor Adjustments. Everybody say minor adjustments.
Minor adjustments.
Minor Adjustments is dedicated to preventing and reducing crime, and our primary purpose is to teach men or women how to make the minor adjustments that are necessary in their lives, which will allow them to obtain and maintain a productive lifestyle after incarceration and or rehabilitation. Our motto is anywhere but backwards. Everybody say anywhere, but backwards. Say anywhere, but backwards. Say anywhere, but backwards.
That's all right.
And I got that. When y'all leave today, if y'all don't remember anything, I need y'all to remember anywhere, but backwards. Come on, y'all. With the enemy. I don't war against men and women in the flesh. I war against in the spirit. So I came in to encourage you and tell you that all you got to do is focus on going anywhere. I got that from Jeremiah 7:24, the Bible, Jeremiah 7:24. It says, yet they did not obey and incline their ear to me, but they followed the counsel of their own hearts, and they kept going backwards instead of forward. Everybody say anywhere, but backwards. Y'all gonna hear that a lot. By the 8 weeks, the ones that's going to be here, by the 8 weeks, you're gonna have to know that. You ain't gonna have to know the scripture. You're going to have to know anywhere but backwards in this. Everybody say, to attain my sobriety is easy.
To attain my sobriety is easy.
Our challenge is to maintain it. To attain our sobriety is easy.
To attain our sobriety is easy.
Our challenge is to maintain it. The reason why I say that, that's in the mission statement. If you have the book, look at page 5. If you have the book in the mission statement on page 6, on page 6, it says the word obtain means to come into the possession of something. But the word maintain means to keep it in existence. And the reason why I use those two words is because most of us, if you're like me, we put a lot of effort and emphasis on getting off of drugs. But that's not the challenge. The challenge is, come on, I need participation. You got to say something. To maintain it. So to obtain your sobriety, that's the easy part. We can just come to the Salvation Army 2 or 3, 4 times, get our sobriety. The challenge is to maintain it, to keep it in existence. So I don't want to spend any time talking about getting sobriety. We already obtained that. Our challenge is what? Maintain. It's going to be a beautiful 8 weeks, man. I'm going to give you everything I've got. I'm going to tell you everything that I did. I'm going to take y'all each week. This week is simply an introduction. Then after that, we're going to go into another topic. Every week we have a different topic. This particular week is simply an introduction. Let me read something for you. Y'all all right?
All right.
I love what I do. And I love to encourage individuals. Let me tell you one of the purposes of the Minor Adjustment Program. The purpose of this program is to get individuals like yourselves, bring you with us, make you a minor adjustments facilitator, put you in your same community, create a group in your community